Good afternoon, everyone. I will start with a prayer. Dear God, we praise and thank you for this beautiful day. Help us to understand what is taught today so that the topic becomes very interesting and easy for all to understand. Dear God, we need your blessings. Help each and every one of us and keep us safe from all harm and danger. Now all will say the universal prayer. Our Father in heaven, holy be your name. Your kingdom comes, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us today our daily bread. Forgive us our sins as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Amen. Okay, very good. Now I want each and every child to listen carefully which topic I will teach you today. Today we will start with the structure of flower, which you have done in the 5th standard also. But here you have to study the more detailed structure of the flower. Every child can see the screen. I have shared my screen with you. Ridhima Sharma, unmute yourself. I have given you permission to unmute. Faster, bache, faster. We can't wait for such a long time. Unmute yourself. I have given you permission.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, again, once again, bacha, once again. Faster you have to do it now. Yes. Okay. Just give me a
Yes,
second.
ma'am.
Okay, 1 minute, bacha. Just give me 1 second. Okay. Atifa Malik, unmute yourself. Atifa Malik. Faster, I have given you permission. Okay, Ridhima, are you able to see the screen which I have shared?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what you can see on the screen? Which diagram is there?
I'm a flower.
Yes, of a flower. And when you are seeing the flower, I'll put my cursor there. Can you see down, one green stem-like structure is there? Are you able to
Yes,
see?
ma'am.
Okay, what name is written there? Can you say, read the spellings?
Pedicel. Pedicle.
Yes, pedicel is the part from where we hold the flower. And the color of it is green. What is the color? Green.
Green.
Can you see now two leaf-like green structures under that flower?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And I am putting my cursor there. Can you see what is written there? S. That spelling starts with S. Say that spelling, beta. All look on the screen, beta. Nobody will look in the book now. Bhumika Beloria, please look towards the diagram which I am teaching so that you are able to understand how to draw the diagram. Ridhima, are you there? Okay. Atifa Malik.
S-E-P.
Say, beta, say faster, na. Say, Ridhima.
S-E-P-A-L. Sipple.
And calyx. What is written? Sapple. Repeat after me. Sapple. Say, bache.
Apple
Or calyx.
or calyx.
Yes. When you are in smaller classes, you will come to know the spelling as sapple. But when you go to higher classes, you will study calyx. So sapple or calyx. The leaf-like structure is known as sapple or calyx. Okay. Atifa Malik, why you have muted yourself? Atifa, I'm giving you permission. Unmute yourself. Faster. Fast. Then you people say, teacher, time you are not unmuted. You people don't unmute yourself. What to do? Bhagavi Arora, unmute yourself. Bhagavi Arora.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bache. Now listen here. Can you see above the sepal? One part is there. The yellow color of the flower is there. So for that yellow color, particular name is given. What is the name?
Petal.
Yes. And
Petal.
one more name is given. Corolla. What is the name given?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the name?
Corolla.
Corolla. So please first say the spelling of petal and then the corolla.
Petal.
Yes.
Corolla.
So when in this class, you have to study about sepals and petal. Sepals are the green part. I'm putting the cursor like leaf-like structure attached to the pedicel. And after that, the beautiful color of the flower is known as petal. Petal or corolla. Okay, beta. Thank you very much.
Okay, ma'am.
Chahat Bhatti, unmute yourself. Chahat Bhatti. Faster, bache. On your screen only mute, unmute is there and within a second it should be. I have given you permission. Faster. Devjit sister, I don't know your name, beta. So please unmute yourself. Devjit Kaur.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is the name of your sister, bache? Devjit sister.
Excuse ma'am, I joined now only, so I have to rename it.
No problem, bache. No problem. Just say the name of the sister. No problem.
Ma'am, Anureet Kaur.
Acha,
Ma'am, you have
Anurit.
given me a chance.
Anurit, I gave you chance. Okay,
Yes,
beta.
ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Very good. Very good. Okay. Genika, unmute yourself. Genika Chaudhary. Unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Now look here. Can you see the yellow beautiful color of the flower?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the name? The girl has read the name of that flower. Now, what was the name? Sonia,
Petal.
one place. You are going here and there. Yes, say what?
Petal or corolla.
Corolla. Yes, very good. Now, inside, can you see the long tubular structure is there inside the flower, which is green in color? Are you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you say the first
Yes, ma'am.
first part on the top? I'm putting my cursor there.
Stigma.
Stigma. Please say the spelling of stigma.
Stigma. Stigma.
Below stigma, one more name is there.
Style.
Style. First was stigma. Second is style. And below style, one more name is given. What is that name?
मैम अपना एरो हटाना 2 मिनट.
Okay, see.
Ovary.
Yes. Stigma, style, and ovary. Now, what is this stigma, style, and ovary? They all are attached with one another and play very important role. So, stigma, style, and ovary are together makes the female part of the flower. What they make? Female part of the
Female part of a plant.
Can you see one
Flower.
given here with stigma, style, ovary? Can you see one name is given with P?
Pistil.
Pistil. So we call it carpel or pistil. Now what is the female part of the flower known as? Pistil. What is the name? Please repeat after.
Pistil.
Pistil or carpel?
Pistil or caramel.
Carpel. Carpel.
Carpel.
And in your book, other name is given gynoecium. What is the other name?
Gynoecium.
So
Gynoecium.
Gynoecium, pistil, and the carpel. Okay, or the carpel we can say. Because these three. Now, can you see one ovule is there with that pistil?
Yes, ma'am.
This
Ovules.
Ovule means inside the ovary. Dekho, the arrow is put there. Can you see the black arrow? From the ovary, the black
yes, ma'am.
Left side. To tell you, inside the ovary, the ovule is there. What is inside the ovary? Ovule.
Ovules.
Okay,
Ovules.
thank you very much. Okay.
Welcome, ma'am.
Just 1 second. Let me see which girl did not get chance. Jasmine, unmute yourself. Jasmine, unmute yourself, bache. Faster, beta. I'm giving you permission. You have to do within a second. Yes. Are you there?
No, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Now listen. What you have to do? Just 1 second. Okay. Krishita, you also unmute yourself. Krishita Gupta. Krishita,
Yes, ma'am.
have you unmuted yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the first participant was who? Please say your name before Krishita. Say your name, beta, whom I have unmuted. Krishita and one more girl I have unmuted, na? Ujnik, your video is not on, beta. You have to on your video. Yes, very good. Good. I want to see each and every child, na? Okay. So, I have unmuted two girls. Please say your name. Who are the two girls?
Ma'am, Jasmine.
Jasmine now. Okay, listen, Jasmine now. Okay. You have seen this part. Now we will go to right side. You can see one black circle. Are you able to see the black circle? I'm putting cursor on that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So that particular part, black arrow is given and the name is written here. See my cursor. The word starts with, letter starts with A. Say the name.
Enter.
Enter. Okay, Krishna, you wait, bacha. Let her speak and then your turn will come. Enter. Okay. Now inside the enter, can you see small round structures are there?
Yes, ma'am.
So these are known as pollen grains. What are they known as? Pollen grains. Say beta.
Ma'am, repeat again.
Pollen grains.
Polar strain.
Pollen. 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 Say
Pollen.
grains.
Pollen grain. Ma'am, please speak loud.
Pollen grains. Bache, my speaker, I have
Pollen
kept it.
grain.
1 minute. Let me see. The volume which I have kept is full or not. Just 1 second. Give me a second, please. Okay. Now, are you able to hear me clearly, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, this is the anther. Inside the anther are the pollen grains. Now,
Okay.
that you can see tubular structure. Krishita, are you able to see this tube-like structure, green color?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the name? I am putting my cursor there. Below that, my
Filament.
filament. Now, this anther, pollen grains, filament. Below that, one name is written. What is that name, Krishita?
Stamen.
Stamen. What is the name?
Stamen.
Yes. Maureen, unmute yourself. Okay, see this one. Anther, pollen grains, filament, they are together known as stamen. The stamen is the male part of the flower. What is stamen? Hey, Krishita. Male part of the flower. We can call it androecium also. What we can call it? Androecium. Say, yes, very good. So you have seen stigma style ovary, that is the female part, and you have seen anther, pollen grains, filament, they are known as stamen, and that is the male part of the flower. Now what happens when these pollen grains due to rain or due to air fall on this stigma? The stigma is the sticky substance. So it will pollen grains and it will take these pollen grains inside the ovary. And inside the ovary, with what part is there? Ovule. What is there?
Ovule.
Ovule. Very good. Here only the fertilization will take place. 1 minute. Maureen has not unmuted herself. Maureen, I have given you permission. Please unmute yourself. Na? Faster. Who has come with my name? Who is this one? Please unmute yourself. Somebody has come with my name. Maybe Mama's name is that one. Unmute yourself. Faster. people will not unmute, how I will teach you? First tell me that. You have to be faster than the teacher. Purvi Jasrotia, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bache. Now I told you when the pollen grains are there, they fall on this female part that is known as stigma. And where they take them? They will take them inside the which part? See my cursor. The round part is named as what? Ovary. What it is known? Inside the ovary, what? Ovules. What is there inside the ovary?
Ovules.
Now in this ovule, what will happen? When you, and here only the fertilization will take place and the proper fruits will be made, which you eat, and the inside this ovule, the seeds are made. With the help of this fertilization only it will take place. Okay. Realme 6, please unmute yourself. I want to know your name. What is your name? Realme 6. That the name is coming on the screen. Unmute yourself, please. Faster. Previously also you have not unmuted. Today also the name is there, but the child is not unmuting. Nothing is going on. How I will come to know which child is that one? Okay, Simarpreet and Sai Preet, unmute yourself, both of you. Simarpreet, 1 minute. Simarpreet and Sai Preet. Fast, bache. I have given you permission. You have to unmute. Faster. Sonia Sharma, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Sahib, Simarpreet, unmute yourself. Faster. Sonia also. So lazy people are in this class. I don't know how to teach them. Advita, unmute yourself. Advita, unmute yourself, bache. Advita, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, you have given me chance tomorrow.
Day before. Okay, bache, thank you. Sukanya, this one. Sukanya, unmute yourself. Sukanya, unmute yourself.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, bache. Now I will share my another screen with you so that you are able to understand what next topic I will teach you. So on the screen, you are able to see 4 basic parts which we have to study about flower. So now we have done the first part, that is known as sepal. The child whom I have unmuted, please say your name. The child whom I have unmuted, say your name. Beta, name.
Sukanya.
Okay. Now come to this first point, and I am putting my cursor there, the outermost. Read from here. The outermost.
The outermost
Whole. Whole means the
wall.
part. Whole. Whole. Say whole.
Hole
Consisting of
consisting of units called spells.
sepals. Say sepals.
Sepals.
Other name is calyx. In the starting, you are able to see the name calyx.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, these are often, read from here, these are often.
These are often green and enclose the rest of the flowers
Flower,
in the
only
bud.
one flower in the bud. So you see when the bud is there, inside that only the flower is there. So the sepal is there which is protecting that beautiful flower inside them. Okay, they may be absent or they may be petal like in some species, you know. In some species, sometimes petal is there and sometimes flowers are absent and sometimes the flowers are there. But you have to study only, it is the outermost part of the flower. It is green and enclose the rest of the flower in the bud. That much you have to study in this class. Okay, now what I will do is, just 1 minute. I will see now whom I have to. Kritika Singh, your mute unmute is not there. You people are joining the class. I don't know how you people are joining. Ashwina, bache, why you are raising your hand? All will get the chance. Purvi, unmute yourself. Purvi Jasrotia, have you unmuted yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Got the chance to read? Got the chance to read?
Yes, and yes, ma'am. When you have unmute me, my meeting was disconnected.
Okay, fine, bache. So what you will do is come to the next part. What is written here? The corolla. What is
The
written?
corolla,
Corolla. The what is the other name?
petals,
Petals. So usually they are what? Read from here. Usually,
thin,
yes. Read. Soft.
soft, often colored to attract animals and help. Ma'am, what is
Pollination.
written?
Pollination. Now I told you na, when the wind blows or the water is there or the animals come, the pollen grains are transferred from anther to stigma. Then only the stigma will take them inside. That process is known as pollination. What is that process known as? Pollination. Okay. Now see this part. I am putting my cursor. There stamens. Can you see stamens?
Yes, ma'am.
Stamen is known as androecium, and these are the reproductive parts of the flower. What are they known as? The reproductive parts of the flower.
Flower.
Stamen. Stamen is the male part of the flower. What is stamen?
Okay. Male part of the flower.
And in stamen, what is there present? Pollen grains. What is present? Pollen grains.
Pollen grain.
Okay. And the female part is known as gynoecium. What is female part known as? Gynoecium.
Gynoecium.
Okay. Just give me 1 minute. I'll give chance to any other girl also. Bhumika Saval, unmute yourself. Bhumika Saval.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bache. Now what you will do is, I have written here, gynoecium, the female part. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So female part is having 3 parts, stigma, style and ovary. Please repeat after me. Stigma, style and ovary.
Stigma, silent ovary.
So, you repeat after me. Flowers are an important.
Plants are an important.
Flowers are an important
Flowers are an important.
evolutionary.
Evolutionary.
Evolution means something which comes out from that. Advance made by flowering plants.
Advance made by flowering plants.
Okay. So I will read you. Just wait. Some flowers are dependent upon the wind to move pollens between flowers of the same species. I told you now, when pollen grains are there, they fall on stigma, or sometimes they fall on other flower also due to rain and water. Their pollen grains are lightweight. Please say that line, bache.
Oh.
What is their pollen grains?
Ma'am, which one?
This one there. THEIR there. Pollen grains. Read this.
Their pollen grains are lightweight. Many others rely on insects or birds.
Rely means depend on. Now other depend on what? Insects. What is written?
Insects
Or birds to move pollen.
or birds to move pollen.
What we are talking about, male and female reproductive parts of flower, and when these pollen grains goes inside the ovule, what happens? Then fertilization takes place and then the fruit is formed. And when you eat fruit, you see small seeds are there inside it. What is written now? See here, the role of flower. Please read from here, the role of flowers.
The role of flowers is to produce seeds which are contained in fruit. Fruits and
that are made with the help of fertilization. Okay. Read now, fruits and
seeds are are a means of dispersal. Plants do not move, but winged animals and birds spread the plants across the landscape.
So wherever they are going, they are moving with the help of animals or wind or birds or due to rain. So these are the things which help them to move. Okay, fine, bache.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, just wait a minute. Anybody wants to ask anything? Any participant want to ask anything? I will stop sharing my screen with you. Anybody wants to
No,
ask?
ma'am.
Understood what we have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Every child, I only one or two are saying yes. Bhumika, you have raised your hand. I have unmuted you na bache. Bhumika, Valoria, want to ask something?
Yes.
No, ma'am.
Hey, beta Bhumika, what do you want to ask?
No, ma'am. Doubt.
Huh? Okay, Hina, you have raised your hand to ask something. Hina,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, beta, bolo. Say.
Didn't get the chance.
Hina did not get the chance. No problem. I will ask you the question now only. Now we have done about the first part of the flower. What is the name of the first part of the flower? We have done 4 parts. First
Yes,
part
ma'am.
is
Ma'am, pedicel.
pedicel is the part from where we are holding, and before above that is leafy structure. What is the name of the leafy structure?
Ma'am, petal.
Sepals. Sepals, bache. What is that? Sepals.
Okay, ma'am.
So after sepals, the beautiful color of the flower is there. That is known as. That is known as. Others will not speak, beta. Bhumika, why you are speaking? Bache, your voice is coming. Okay, say now, Hina. After sepals, the colored part of the flower known as petals. What they are known as?
Petal.
Okay, fine. And the reproductive parts. Do you know the name of 2 reproductive parts of the flower? Hina, do you know that?
Yes, ma'am.
Say, beta. I'm asking. Others will not speak in between. Okay, say.
Ma'am, you say.
Yeah, bache, what you are saying?
Ma'am,
Stamens or stamens and carpel. What is the name? Stamen and carpel. Okay, bache. So I'm muting you. Anybody wants to ask anything now? Please let me know.
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
What topic we have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Who is there? Say your name. Then only I can unmute you.
आपने क्यों नहीं पढ़ा था? वर्दी.
Who want to ask? Say your name, beta. Parnika, you want to ask? Okay, 1 minute. Just 1 minute. I will mute everyone. Parnika, 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Yes. Now you unmute yourself. Parnika, unmute yourself, beta. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. You want to ask something?
Ma'am, what is the meaning of filament?
Filament is the long tubular structure, long thread-like structure attached to the pollen grains. आप कभी आपके घर में फ्लावर लगा ना? On the top you can see small in the petals. जो आपका red color का flower है या whatever color is there, inside there you will see small dot-like structures. Just touch that part. They are very delicate and you can hold. They will get stick to your finger also. So in down below that long thread-like structure is there. That is known as filament. That is known as filament.
Okay, ma'am.
Understood, beta? So this
Yes, ma'am.
answer I will send you and you all have to do in the notebook and you have to draw the diagram. The diagram is in the book. Easily available. It is there, given there. Neatly draw it and when you know the diagram, it becomes very easy for you to write and learn the points of the answer. Fine, everyone? Okay. Bye to all. Bye, everyone. I am unmuting all so that all can say bye to me. Bye, everyone.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am. For the class. Thank you for the class. Thank you, ma'am, for the class.
Thank you for the
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.